You ever go on a long trip with the family and you got a lot of stuff to load in the back? You can either put it in trash bags, or if you have a tonneau cover, that's great, but you can't go above the deck of your truck. So I came up with a better solution. It's called the Better Cover. So you can see I got everything loaded up, cut around the lights so that those are shown. You put a lot of overlap here so that it stays all sealed up. Put a ton of wedgies in there. Wedgies keep when the airflow is coming over the top of the truck, creates a big vortex in here, creates a lot of suction, so that just holds the front down. You got the boat loaded up, we're ready to go. So sometimes you need to add some extra luggage once you're already going, and it's easy enough to just peel this off. Peel it off, open it up, seal it back when we're done. Okay, now I got all that stuff loaded in, I just peel this back down. After 8 hours of driving, through tons of thunderstorms and everything, just peel this off. Open it up. Luggage is bone dry.